Oh, hi guys. Mwah. Hey guys, it's Aidette. Today we're doing a massive Temu haul. Would you guys believe if I told you that this is my very first time shopping on Temu? Why haven't I joined on the hype earlier is my question. So many of my friends and family have shopped on Temu before, but apparently literally everything is on Temu, guys. So you guys need to stop sleeping on it. And I have a little special something for you guys. Make sure you're downloading the Temu app and use my code /link to get access to the $100 coupon bundle. If I'm not mistaken, I think I got like 25 items for under $200. New users will be getting the $100 coupon bundle, and you guys can use this QR code right here or the link down below, or also my code, which will be right here. That is DYB9463. First thing, starting off strong, I got a kitty luggage. This is the most beautiful thing that I have ever seen. I'm actually going to be going back to Japan very soon, and I cannot be more excited to use her. The perfect carry-on. It's pretty big. It looks small, but it has a lot of room. It has a code right here. Look how gorgeous she is. So this I would use for maybe like my jewelry or my makeup, or just valuable, so I can make sure that it's on board with me. But she's so cute. This one brings me back so much nostalgia because I used to have a very like almost similar backpack when I was in middle school, and I was so obsessed with it. It had a big red bow. The back has this cute design, but it has this convenient strap. I would take this on the go. She's very roomy, so we adore that. This piece is super cute to me because it has the pink bow. I'm a big fan of the pink bow over the red bow. This is really cute because it doubles as a handbag, and you can also make a little backpack. This is what the inside looks like. Very convenient. I got her sister, but I feel like I like this one better because she's like super up my alley. How much more gorgeous can she get? A little handle, and you also get the little backpack. Like, I could genuinely freaking scream. Of course, pack it with literally anything, snacks preferably. So cute. You cannot tell me that these are not the cutest freaking things. I actually didn't know that it came with doubles, but it comes with double boxers of each print. I love to wear boxers to sleep. Being comfortable at night is my priority because I like to have a good sleep. This is the first print. Then we have the black pair, and then we have the pink ones front and back. Those are very soft. Very excited to wear those. A little bit off theme, but I saw these. I'm gonna be going on vacation soon, so these are gonna be super comfortable, and I was like, oh my god, these are plain, and I love a plain sandal sometimes. It's just nice to wear with like everything. You can mix and match. Getting back on track with the kitty. This is supposed to be like a pen holder essentially, but you can use it for anything. So I have a lot of makeup brushes that as you guys definitely know. Look how cute. Imagine all my little brushes in here. I need to clean these, but so cute. Or I would even imagine that it would be cute to put like a little plant in here. Then I got 64 pieces of stickers. First of all, these stickers are extremely inexpensive, but look at how cute they are. So many kitties. Yeah, these are like little kitties. Oh my goodness, these are too cute. I've actually been getting really into stickers recently because I ship out a lot of packages. Little example, this one, a little crying one. These are very cute. These are a must-have to like even give out to your friends. This also intrigues me too. I know it's so random. It's a bunch of little individual stickers. I'm just gonna show you guys some of the characters that are featured on here. This character is so cutie patootie. Like, it just keeps going. Look how thick this roll is. Writing little love letters or your friends' letters. These are just cute to customize all of your things. I mean, if I was going to school, I would love to have this just to like place it all over my notebook. See how convenient this is? Oh my goodness, you guys, look at this little hat. I'm gonna show you guys how it works in just a little second, but how cute is this little hat? It has kitty on it, but it also has like a bunny type vibe to it. How freaking adorable is this? Like, cutesy little things like this bring me so much comfort. Did you guys call for jewelry? Absolutely we did. So I got 3 kitty chains. I'm so excited. But also I have an obsession with chains as well. But I truly can't believe it. Like, guys, these are so gorgeous. Let's do it one by one. You have to be joking. This one is unbelievable. This one's the more casual one. This one's like a more everyday type wear one. Just a little kitty with a binky. Adorable. And we love her. This is the last one. It has just like the classic face and a little jewel on the bow. So cute. But now let's put them on. It has a super easy to use clip. You just snap. So pretty. Number 2. This is the more casual one. Number 2. Oh my gosh, I look like a rapper. Cute. The fact that these are all super blingy and shiny. I'm gonna put my flash on. It's so shiny. That didn't even need convincing. If I saw these right away, I would have been like, boom, in my cart. Okay, now getting into the juicier stuff. So we have another kitty bag, but this one is so juicy. Good quality. Like, if I was to see this, I'd be like, is that real leather? This is a high quality bag. It has the studs. The studs just add so much elevation to this bag. We have like the dark vampy vibes. This is what the inside looks like. It's very deep. You can clearly hold a lot of things. This is great for like when you're running errands. You can literally just throw everything in here and you're good to go. When I saw this little tote bag, first of all, I love a good tote bag, but I also love when kitty is tan. I really do have an obsession with tan kitty. This is so cute. I'm actually planning on going to Hawaii pretty soon. Cutest colorway, has a tan kitty in a bikini. So cute. This is gonna be my go-to beach bag. I already know. Whenever I'm staying over at someone's house, whatever. Perfection. These nails, I did not know that you can get press-ons. These are the nails. I might as well just do my nails after this video. Are you kidding me? It comes with some extras just to make sure that your nails actually fit. Surprise, surprise, I got another duffel. How cute. I've actually had this duffel before, but I got another one. I really put it through the ringer. I'm really put it through the ringer. Obviously lots of storage in the middle. I've taken this to so many trips before. I actually took my last one of these to my trip in Japan and it lasted the whole trip. A little random detour. I'm not even going to describe what these are. You guys will be able to tell. It's a 3-pack of socks. I honestly got these because I wanted to prank my sister with them, and you can see what's going on here. They're cats, and you can see what's going on here. Gray ones and black ones. I think the black ones might be my favorite. From the feel of it, these are super comfy and I'm always losing my socks. Speaking about gifts for my sister, so I actually got her these figurines that I know that she's obsessed with. She loves the movie, she loved the game, all of it. So I got her these figures right here. And I actually told her, I was like, can you take a video of you setting them up? Because I need to see them in action. She loved them. She thought they were super cute. When I saw them, I was like, oh my gosh, they have replaceable faces. So you have the actual figure, but also you can take the little head and make them into like the evil version of them. A few more undies. These pink ones. How freaking cute. Other pink ones. I think these are my favorite because they're the little rainbow and the classic black pair and a mirror, of course. What would a girl be without her little mirror? Really, I've been needing a mirror for my purse, so I'm like, oh, absolutely, this will be perfect. Somebody saying like, oh, do you have a mirror? And you're like, oh yeah, I got you. But they're expecting the little compact boring mirrors and you pull out this. Okay girl, period. Kind of want to take like a little picture with it. Like, I know I'm not the only one that struggles with like keeping all her coins intact and in one place. I always need coins for the meter. When I do have coins, I need to keep them in one place because they're always getting lost. My quarters and my dimes will be going in here. I love how it's the tan kitty. Very good quality. It's like a little plushie. I was so excited for this one. Look at this tee. Does this not remind you of like high school? I am obsessed. I'm gonna be wearing this everywhere. I need to make an outfit out of this. Like super soft. I can fall asleep in this. Hair cap girlies unite, because I hate getting my hair wet. If it doesn't need to get wet, I need a hair cap. I love that it has the plastic inside. It's a kitty themed one. This is the way to go. I swear your hair ends up perfect almost every single time. Last but not least, a bunny backpack. Cute. So it has these little puff balls and this is what the inside looks like. So you open it up and immediately it has a teeny pocket, perfect size for like your phone or your earphones, whatever. And then all this room, like you wouldn't expect all of this room, but it has a lot. Like it has a lot of room. I think out of all of these items, it's gonna be very hard for me to choose my favorite items. Clearly, I think that the chains, some of my favorite items. My most favorite, I'm thinking it's this little chain right here. I wanna know your guys' favorite because it's gonna be so hard. Like how can you choose from all of these items? But remember guys, Temu app new users can get the $100 coupon bundle. So make sure you're not missing out. You can get it with my link down below or you can get it with with my code, which will be right here, or my QR code, which will be right here. Because who doesn't want to save more? If you're deciding to use my code, which is DYB9463, search in the Temu search bar. All the items that I feature today will be down below with a link, so it's easy for you guys to grab. And make sure that you guys are hopping on it quick because these things sell out super fast. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Mwah!